What's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to make a quick video. I installed the Diode Dynamics LED side marker lights. Looks way better on the car, man. That's the front. And here go the back. So much brighter than what came with the stock car. Matches the back lights now. Looks really good. The back was easy to put on. It was just pulled it like right out of here with a little pry tool, and it just came right out, popped right out. The fronts was a little bit more of a headache. There was about 3 to 4 screws that I had to take out right here, 1, 2, 3, and one under. I didn't have to remove the front bumper. But all said and done, it took me about 15 minutes to do the front. The back was about 5 minutes. It was so easy. But yeah, man, look at that. That looks great. Another thing I'm gonna do, the Boss2013 comes with the side exhaust. There's some restrictors. The side exhaust is right here. You can hear it. But there's a restrictor plate that's on there. It has a tiny little hole. I picked